I am so pumped. I think every single business in the world needs AI. And bear with me, I know you're hearing a lot about AI, but I want to dumb it down. I want to make this very simple, and I want to show you a quick, maybe 5 to 10 minute demo on what our AI product can do for your business. In this specific case, I'm going to talk about home services, let's say HVAC, plumbing, electrical, anything like that. But this works across the board with gyms, with salons, with restaurants, with anybody, okay? Typically think of it this way. Imagine your home service business running seamlessly, every call answered, every job booked, and every inquiry handled at a high level without you breaking a sweat, okay? What's the biggest problem you're facing? You're fixing a client's problem when the phone rings. You have 2 choices. Stop and answer, risking delays on the current job. Ignore it, potentially losing a lead. Contractors, renovation pros, home service pros, they're on the job doing their stuff and the phone rings. And most of these guys could be a small team, a small crew, so they got to answer the phone. But when they answer the phone, that's your first impression from a potential client, and they might hear banging and sawing and talking in the background. Makes it very hard for you to focus and bring value. That's one of the biggest problems that guys and business owners face. Second thing is getting the same questions over and over again. What's your pricing for whatever? Do you offer emergency services? When can you come to my home? Are estimates free? That sort of thing. Another problem is not enough clients. You're struggling to appear on Google when customers search for plumber near me, electrician near me, kitchen remodeling near me, or they're also searching for that same term in a specific city, right? And potentially you're not getting found because there's a few things that you need to do to help you get better ranking than most. So the impact that this has on your business is missed jobs, frustrated clients, overwhelming the team. Missed jobs is the big one because that's where sales are and everything is about sales. So the hidden costs of doing nothing: lost revenue, every missed call equals lost income, frustrated clients, missed calls or delays create negative impressions, overpaying staff, technicians handling calls instead of jobs, and lower rankings. So fewer reviews lead to poor online visibility. That's proven. Lenny, let me introduce you to Lenny. Now, Lenny is my AI assistant, okay? You can call Lenny whatever. It can be male, female, whatever. You can call it whatever. Just know it does a very good job at a fraction of a price of an assistant, okay? And if you do have an assistant or a receptionist, that's awesome. Keep them in play and potentially have them doing other tasks that are higher productivity tasks that can maybe bring in more potential to your company, and have Lenny handle all the things that nobody seems to want to handle but are extremely important to your business. Okay, Lenny can handle calls. He can schedule appointments. He can manage FAQs, frequently asked questions. He can boost reviews. He can save you time and money, okay? So you guys can focus on the job while Lenny handles the rest of it. Lenny's capabilities, when I say answering every call 24/7, answers every call at a very high level, schedules appointments so he can do real-time booking appointments to your calendar, or he can send a calendar link for the potential client to book a call with you. Text messaging handles inquiries and scheduling via text, SMS. Manage FAQs, so frequently asked questions are important. You get the same 10, 15 questions all the time. We build that into the knowledge base so it knows, boom, it knows the answers exactly how you want them to say it, exactly the same every time. Boost reviews, getting more reviews on a systemized, automated way. Review cards, table toppers, QR codes, we deploy those in your business as well to get you more reviews. Oh, sorry. Real results, real impact. So increased revenue, you're capturing every opportunity, higher rankings on Google, a simple onboarding process, and stress-free operations because your team focuses on building relationships with the client and not the phone. 3 simple steps to success. We train Lenny, my job. We get Lenny trained up so he knows everything. Lenny takes over, handles calls, inquiries, and bookings immediately. And then you get to focus on the most important aspect of developing relationships with your clients. Okay, so this is the home service bundle. This is everything you're going to get with Lenny. Okay, this is important. So Lenny is the virtual receptionist. We'll call it whatever you want. Automated review management. So we have parts in the sales process where we ask for reviews from your client so that you can start to build your reviews on automation. Conversational AI texting. On the bottom of your website, landing pages, there's a little AI assistant. When you click that assistant, this assistant is trained on everything about your business. It will secure first name, last name, phone, email. It will secure booking appointments. It can do a lot, okay? AI appointment booking, same scenario. It will actually book direct to your calendar or send them a booking link. Onboarding, VIP 24/7 support, of course. Call recordings and transcription, so your calls are recorded, should you choose, and they're fully transcribable. Real-time notifications instantly, because it's all about speed to lead. If you can't get back to a potential customer within the first 5 minutes, they've gone somewhere else. So number one, answer your phone. Get Lenny to do that. And if not, and you want to personally handle your calls, then make sure you answer your phone, and if not, call back within the first 5 minutes. Massive. After hours answering service, 24/7, Lenny's on his game. So bonus one, if we do this thing here and now, review counter card, we'll set up a review counter card, a tabletop or a QR code to automate that process of getting you reviews. The CRM and calendar systems where it's included and where you can manage appointments seamlessly on your calendar or on a calendar inside of the AI bundle. And 3, text messaging marketing, boost engagement with customers, database reactivation campaigns where you have a list of clients, you have their phone numbers, we send out a singular message and we bring in tens of thousands of dollars in sales from that. One of the last ones we did brought in $400,000 in sales for a kitchen renovation company. Very doable, and it's all part of the AI program. Your price, $500 a month, a $1,000 setup fee for all of this, including the bonuses. Now, if you compare this, so traditional phone, hiring an assistant versus Lenny. So the traditional voicemails don't do very well. Hiring an assistant can do okay, and Lenny can crush it. So if you think of every missed call as $100 or $300, whatever average value of your service is, let's say it's HVAC is $300. Hire reception, it costs $3,000 a month here, probably in Ontario, Canada, and Lenny's costs $500 a month. So the ROI, return on investment, I think this is the easiest decision ever. So missed call, every missed call, $300 lost. Let's say that's your average sale. If you miss five calls per month, there's $1,500 gone out the door because you missed those calls. Our solution, Lenny saves you money. Lenny costs just $500. You book 2 clients a month and Lenny pays for itself. Where hiring a receptionist costs $3,000 a month, Lenny gives you the same results or better for a fraction of the cost. Okay? So this is just a bit of a recap. What you're going to get is Lenny's 24/7 virtual receptionist, handle every call, every inquiry, automated review management, so you're boosting your reputation seamlessly and through automations. Conversational AI, manage inquiries and bookings via SMS. AI appointment bookings, scheduling is done seamlessly. 24/7 online onboarding support. Call recordings and transcriptions, of course, full transparency. Real-time notifications, instant alerts for calls, messages, reviews. You will get notified. After hours answering service at a very high level, very predictable. What's going to be said because you've trained. Review bonus, of course, bonus review counter card, which encourages clients to give you reviews. CRM and calendar system included, and text message marketing. Retain clients with ease. Again, your price, $500 only per month. There is a one-time setup of $1,000 for this service. So it's $1,000 service setup and then $500 a month. I think this thing can provide so much value to business owners when it's 95% hands off once it's set up, and we will set that up for you and you will be happy. You can cancel anytime, of course, give us 30 days notice, but I think the value it can drive to business owners is incredible. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to me and let's have a discussion. I can show you a demo of it, whatever that looks like for you. Okay, thank you.